What's the color on it again?
São Paulo. I don't freaking know.
São Paulo Yellow. São Paulo. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to say it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today we are going to be putting some M stripes on the front of this actual X4M. And yes, it's the actual M series. It's not an M40 or any other weird stuff that BMW's been doing recently. This is an actual M series. And on top of that, it's the competition. And on top of that, it's the São Paulo Yellow. São Paulo Yellow, which looks a little bit green in the camera, but I promise it's actually a yellow. In the sun, it actually looks a little bit more green, but we're not complaining. It's an awesome car, awesome color. It's got tons of horsepower. But today we're gonna be putting some actual M3 stripes on the grille. Now we've done this a couple times on the channel, but we've done it to some cars that were a little bit questionable. So the S54 wagon kind of got a pass because it's an S54 wagon, and so it's kind of running M3 gear. And then my race car, it's a race car, BMW's racing stripes. And so those cars kind of got some passes, but we have done these colors before on cars that weren't M's. But today we're gonna actually be putting it on an M car. The other thing that we've been doing is putting some BMW overlays. The front one there is already black. We did that just to see what it kind of looked like. The owner of the car likes it, so we're gonna go through the rest of the car. It does look like some of these sizes have changed. I actually designed a sheet, so if anybody's interested in them, you can actually contact me on Instagram at Tenza_motorsports, where I sell overlays in various colors depending on what you want. Those are for sale, but it looks like I'm gonna have to do some redesigning because right now my logos go from like 1980s all the way up until just recently, where some of the engine bay badges are a little bit different and the tailgates, the trunks look like they're changing. I don't think the set that I've got is gonna fit on the wagon, but that's beside the point. We're gonna get this black and white on the badges, and we're gonna be putting some M3 stripes on the grille. It looks like we're gonna be probably doing 2, 2, and 2. Which is pretty crazy because it goes all the way out into the middle of the grille, where normally we're doing one of each color and it just kind of stays on the right-hand side towards the driver's side. So we're really excited about that. So we're gonna get that started. Again, we'll put these linked in the description just like we did last time. So if you're interested in getting these, you'll know where to find them. So we were able to modify the cosmetics of the car just a little bit here. This was just a few dollars worth of vinyl. Again, if you want to buy this vinyl yourself, I will put all of the links in the description below. They're all from Amazon. You can get the exact same vinyl we used. If you want to do stripes, and again, if you want to do BMW badge overlays, you can just let me know on my Instagram. Again, that's Tenza_Motorsports. Thanks again so much for watching. This will be back on the channel. We are wanting to have this side by side the race car. I'm not sure exactly what we'll be doing, whether we find a time to actually take them to a track or we're doing a drag race. We also want to do a dyno with this. I think that'd be really cool to see what this is actually putting into the wheel. It is all-wheel drive, like the name suggests, X4. So we're very curious to see how much of that power is actually making its way to the wheels. The car's still really new and we haven't even got past its break-in point. So we haven't actually been able to give it the full amount of power. And with what we've been playing with, it's still unbelievably fast. So we're really excited to hit that next level and to level up the car, prestige a little bit. So I'm actually really excited to get it dynoed. It's not even my car, and I'm excited to make content with this thing. So thanks everybody so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new. Leave any comments or questions down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to reply to you. If you have any complicated questions, I can do extra videos. If you have something that requires a little bit more than just a really long reply, again, a lot of my content actually comes from you guys asking questions. Well, how do you do this? How do you do that? And it's really difficult sometimes to do a really long comment that can be really long, convoluted, and complicated. So thanks so much for all of the comments and questions, all the support, and we will see everybody in the next video.